Get ready to witness some of the most powerful military weapons in action. From unstoppable tanks to lightning-fast fighter jets, each machine is built for strength, precision, and impact. See the force, speed, and strategy behind these incredible tools of modern warfare. Let's dive right in. Number 12. The robot tanks. Remember the killer robots from Terminator 3? Well, modern technology has given us something similar. Meet the Uran 9 robot tank. The Uran 9 is a 10-ton remote-controlled vehicle built for combat. It carries anti-tank missiles, a 30-millimeter cannon, flamethrowers, and a machine gun. That means it can destroy armored vehicles, burn through defenses, and wipe out enemy positions, all while being controlled from a safe distance. Just imagine a dozen of these robotic tanks patrolling an area. Regular soldiers and light weapons wouldn't stand a chance against it. Germany has also created something impressive, the Rheinmetall Mission Master. This robotic vehicle can carry heavy loads, up to 600 kilograms of equipment, ammunition, or supplies across rough terrain. It can even be fitted with machine guns or rockets, making it both a transport unit and a deadly combat machine. It almost feels like these machines are only one step away from being self-aware. Number 11. Cluster bombs. Next up are cluster bombs, some of the most terrifying weapons in history. Unlike a normal bomb that explodes once, a cluster bomb splits open mid-air and drops hundreds of smaller bombs across a wide area. For example, the CBU-58 carried 650 small bomblets, each the size of a baseball. When released, they covered huge areas with deadly explosions. Another type, the CBU-89, could instantly create minefields. Just one 450-kilogram bomb could scatter over 400 anti-tank mines and more than 100 anti-personnel mines. These mines would remain active for up to 40 days. Imagine walking through a field that could explode at any moment. Because of the way cluster bombs harm both soldiers and civilians, they are now banned in over 100 countries. Number 10. Automatic cannons. When it comes to sheer firepower, nothing beats automatic cannons. The AK-630M2 Duet from Russia is one of the fastest firing weapons in the world. It can shoot 10,000 rounds per minute. That's so fast the bursts look like flames shooting out of the barrels. Its bullets can destroy targets up to 5 kilometers away. The United States has its own beast, the ProFense M134 minigun. This weapon can fire 6,000 rounds per minute and can even be controlled remotely without a human touching it. Both of these weapons are designed to shred anything in their path, whether it's incoming missiles, vehicles, or aircraft. Number 9. The Bastion-P missile system. The Bastion-P is a coastal missile defense system from Russia, and it's incredibly fast. It can detect a target, fire, and then move to another position in under 5 minutes. That means it's almost impossible to catch. Each Bastion-P can guard 600 kilometers of coastline. With just 30 of these, you could protect the entire U.S. shoreline. The system launches the P-800 Onyx missile, which is 8 meters long, weighs 3 tons, and travels at 3,200 kilometers per hour. At that speed, the missile is nearly impossible to detect before it hits its target. Number 8. The S-400 Triumph. The S-400 Triumph is the world's most advanced anti-aircraft missile system. It can take down any aerial target, including fast fighter jets and even ballistic missiles. For perspective, the fastest missile in the world, the Zircon, travels at 3 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to circle the Earth in just 4 hours. But the S-400 can destroy targets moving even faster, up to 5 kilometers per second. The system can lock onto multiple targets within just 2 or 3 seconds, covering a radius of 600 kilometers and a height of up to 100 kilometers. Once locked, its missiles chase down targets with deadly accuracy. Number 7. Multiple Launch Rocket Systems, MLRS. Few things are more terrifying than a storm of rockets. But the TOS-A is a tank armed with 24 thermobaric rockets. In just 6 seconds, it can turn an area the size of 4 baseball fields into a blazing inferno. But the TOS-1A's range is only 6 kilometers. For longer distances, the 9A-52-2 Smerch takes over. It can fire 12 massive rockets up to 120 kilometers away. A full volley covers an area the size of 67 baseball fields, And if multiple Smerch vehicles fire together, the destruction is unimaginable. Number 6. Archer Artillery System. Sweden's Archer Artillery System is designed for speed and precision. Its 155mm cannon can rotate and fire in just 23 seconds. Within a little over a minute, it can set up, fire 3 rounds, and move to a new location before the first shells even hit. The Archer can fire 8 rounds per minute, and its quick movement makes it almost impossible for enemies to figure out where the attacks are coming from. It's like a ghost on the battlefield. Number 5. Ohio-class submarine. From the seas comes one of the scariest weapons ever, the Ohio-class submarine. Each submarine carries 24 Trident II missiles, and each missile holds 12 nuclear warheads. That's a total of 288 nuclear warheads on one submarine. Each missile can travel over 11,000 kilometers, which means it can strike anywhere on Earth. The U.S. has 14 of these submarines. If even one were to launch its full arsenal, no defense system in the world could stop it. Number 4. Ballistic missiles. Ballistic missiles are some of the deadliest weapons humanity has ever built. The R-30 Balava missile carries 10 nuclear warheads, each 10 times stronger than the Hiroshima bomb. The RS-24 Yars can fly 12,000 kilometers and carries 4 warheads, each capable of massive destruction. These weapons don't just deliver one explosion. They split into multiple warheads mid-flight, hitting different targets at the same time with extreme accuracy. Number 3. RS-28 Sarmat, the deadliest weapon. Finally, we come to the most powerful weapon of all, the RS-28 Sarmat. This intercontinental ballistic missile is a giant, standing 35 meters tall and weighing 200 tons. It can strike targets up to 18,000 kilometers away. Each missile carries 10 warheads, each weighing a ton and delivering a blast of 750 kilotons. The Sarmat can even be launched through the South Pole, making it invisible to most radar systems since defenses usually face east and west. This means no country in the world could reliably stop it. If multiple Sarmat missiles were launched at once, the results would be catastrophic. Number 2. M1 Abrams modern tanks, such as the M1 Abrams or T-14 Armada, combine heavy armor, high-caliber cannons, and advanced targeting systems. These machines can traverse rugged terrain while delivering devastating firepower. In live exercises, MBTs can engage multiple targets at several kilometers away, neutralizing enemy armored vehicles and fortifications with precision. Their speed, armor, and firepower make them the backbone of many ground offensives. Number 1. Hypersonic Missiles. Hypersonic missiles travel at speeds above Mach 5, which is more than 6,000 km per hour. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, these weapons can maneuver mid-flight, making them extremely difficult to intercept. Countries like the United States, Russia, and China are actively testing them. In military demonstrations, hypersonic missiles strike targets with pinpoint accuracy, often obliterating fortified bunkers or moving targets before any defense system can react. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.